sometimes I really wonder kama life inanitandika hivi and I am really alone. What if I had a child and no present father? Tungekuwa wapi? Ama mngekuwa mshakimbiza mili todwe tigodheke. It is not laughable. Hi, anybody who has a child and is really surviving this time and you like don't have a present partner, man, you're doing amazing. Congratulations, you're doing amazing, and may God never leave you back. Yeah, tap yourself and tell yourself tunafanya beautifully, because if you're surviving and you're managing to get your child the basic needs, if they're in school, you're getting them school fees and food, and you're surviving, and maybe you're not even living under your parents' roof, you're even rented. Even if you're under your parents' roof and you're surviving with your child, mother, kudos girls out here, you're strong. Man, congratulations to everybody out there with a child. Yeah, wacha ni breathe in and out, niende nikajilee.